Periodically, in some of the past sections in this training, I have mentioned the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form. This is the form you will use to record your survey data while out in the field. While we will cover the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form in depth during our virtual or in-person training in February and March, I wanted to give you the opportunity to familiarize yourself with the field form. A PDF of the form is included in this section and will be available to you on the Sprout website. The first part of the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form has a number of fields related to recording which population this report is associated with, who conducted the survey, how you accessed the site, and how many plants you found. As a reminder, please be as descriptive as possible and make sure you provide a whole number for either ramets or genets or both. If you do not find any plants, simply enter 0 for both ramets and genets. Next, we have the Species Diagnostics section. It is critical that you detail the specific diagnostic features used to identify your target species and distinguish it from other lookalikes. Simply saying purple flowers for New England blazing star, Liatris nova angliae, is not satisfactory as there are plenty of other species with purple flowers. There are numerous taxonomic resources such as GoBotany or Flora nova angliae or Wildflowers of New England to help you find specific diagnostic features for your target species. Knowing where a population is located is critical for us to find it again in the future. In the location section of the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form, you are provided with space to add 3 latitude and longitude GPS points with descriptions. Please make sure you report your GPS coordinates in decimal degrees. You can also use these 3 rows to report the locations of different plant patches and important landmarks. If you have additional GPS coordinates beyond the 3 in the form, feel free to enter them into a Word document or spreadsheet and upload it when you submit your survey report in Sprout. In addition to the number of ramets and genets, we want to know about the population phenology, age structure, area, elevation, and whether you are able to survey the entire population or not. We also include a field to provide a verbal or qualitative description of the population to capture information that the other, more quantitative fields may not. Once you have recorded information about your target plants, we also want to know about the surrounding site and plant community. This section includes several fields on site characteristics such as topographic position, aspect, slope, light, and moisture. We also want to know about the associated native plant species and any invasives that might be present at the site, as well as an overall description of the natural community and habitat type. The next part of the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form is the Disturbance, Threats, and Management section. We covered this part of the form in the last training video, but here it is again for your reference. Next we have the Other section. This includes an open-ended question about any other details that you would like to report that were not previously captured in the form. We also have a field for any information pertaining to interactions you may have had with the owner, or information about the owners that you think might be important, such as if they are planning to move soon, or if they are excited about protecting the rare plants on their property. If you have a seed collection as part of your proposed actions for an assignment and are successfully able to collect seed, you will fill out the seed collection section of the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form. Remember, the survey date at the top of the page should match the date that you conduct the collection. If you conduct multiple site visits, please submit reports for each visit and remember to mail your seeds to Kate Wellspring at Nasami Farm shortly after completing your collection. After the seed collection section is a brief reminder to take good photos and submit them along with maps and any other associated survey materials. As a reminder, please use our file naming format of state_genus species code_EO number_item year, and for photos include _first initial last name so we know who the photographer was. At the very bottom of the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form is a certification signature and date field. This signature simply certifies that the data and information reported in the form are accurate to the best of your ability. You will also sign your name electronically when submitting your report in Sprout. Now, it is one thing to hear me describe the form, and another to actually have to fill it out on your own when you are out in the field. I strongly suggest that you print out a copy of the New England Rare Plant Reporting Form and find a plant in your backyard, a nearby park, or even a house plant and try to fill out a survey form for it. This will help you identify questions that you might have that you can bring up at the in-person or virtual training in February or March. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go monitor some plants. Thank you for watching this training video. If you have any questions, please contact the Botanical Coordinator at mjasny@nativeplanttrust.org.